Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be installing an IR extender kit. This particular kit I purchased off of eBay and it came with everything you see here with the exception of the Ethernet cable. Alright, so let's go over what was in the kit. This is an infrared receiver or target. This is what you're going to be pointing the remote at. The particular one that I chose was a wall plate. I got an empty space up under my TV that had a wall plate for surround sound and things of that nature, but everything now is in the closet in the hallway, so I have an empty spot, so I chose this one. These are the emitters. The emitters that came with my particular kit were the one input with the two emitters on the end. I got two of those to control 4 devices. You're going to get your power supply for your repeater, and then the repeater itself. And of course you're going to need the Ethernet cable along with this. And that's pretty much everything that the kit came with. And the first thing you want to do, of course, is run your Ethernet cable. Alright, now after you run your cord, what you want to do is you want to cut the ends off. Cut the ends off, then strip the wire. There's going to be 8 wires in there. You want to pull all those back. All you need is 3. The 3 that I chose are the red one, the black one, and what looked like the white one. Just as long as they're the same 3 on both ends, it doesn't really matter. This is a picture of the back of the target. You can see the 3 wires that I use: the red, the black, and the white. The red's going to the positive, the black's for the negative, and the white is for the source. Just as long as it's the same way on the repeater, you should have no problems whatsoever. This is a picture of the repeater. You can see I have the red, the black, and the white wires already screwed in. The red needs to go to the V plus, which is the positive on the target. The G needs to go to the negative, and the IR needs to go to the S on the target. At this point, you can go ahead and put your emitters on your equipment. You're going to need to look in your service manuals or on the internet somewhere and find out where the IR receivers are. And you can place the emitters directly over them. You can see here I use electrical tape. The emitters did come with stickers on the back, but mine didn't stick so well. Also, you don't have to put your emitters directly on your devices, just as long as the emitters are pointing in the general direction of the IR receiver. They should work just fine. I just chose to do so they work perfect every time. Now you're ready to go ahead and plug everything in. Plug in the power supply into where it says power DC 12 volt. I'm not really sure what the status DC 12 volt is for. Also, go ahead and plug your emitters into the emitter jacks. Here is a clip of the IR extender in action. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Here's a close-up of the IR target. The green light stays on all the time. The red light flashes when there's a button that's pressed. And that's pretty much it for the most part. There's a view of my setup. And right around the corner is where everything is in the hall closet. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.